Is there any mouth refreshing spray that also helps prevent cavities?
Yes is the answer. So what you're asking is there any sprays that you could be using to help prevent cavities? My answer is, first thing that you do your basic brushing, flossing, and using a mouthwash. Those are the three essential things. Yes is the answer. Some mouth sprays can help freshen your breath as well as prevent the cavities. Look for sprays that we have which are sugar-free, which we call it as a xylitol, which also have fluoride, which is going to help prevent the cavities. Xylitol fights the bacteria, and fluoride strengthens the enamel. And make sure that you are going to use a spray which is alcohol-free and which has a balanced pH. Okay, that way you're not causing more of an acid or like a base pH to alter your pH to cause some any damage. And again, as I said, these are not the replacement for the brushing or the flossing or the mouthwash you got to use, and these are supplemental. So make sure that you are going to make them as a boost in addition to the other products.